Hi, friends. Happy Wednesday. I'm so happy to be here with you and spending this time with you. It's time for religion. This was an exciting week in our faith. Who remembers what we celebrated on Sunday, November 1st? What did we celebrate? That's right, All Saints' Day. Okay? And that is a holy day of obligation. That means if you're a practicing Catholic, you should have gone to Mass that day. Now, obviously, right now with Corona and everything going on, you may not have been able to attend, but it is a holy day of obligation. And then, so Sunday, November 1st, is All Saints' Day. Then on Monday, we celebrated with the bishop at Mass All Saints Day because he couldn't celebrate Mass with us on Sunday. But we also celebrated something special on Monday, November 3rd, or November 2nd. I'm sorry. What was that? That's right, All Souls Day. Very, very good. So that is not a holy day of obligation. You are not expected to go to Mass unless you want to. Now let's back up a little bit. What is a saint? What is a saint? Who can tell me? That's right. A saint is anyone who believes in God and who is living as God would want us to live. Okay? And that loves everyone and that accepts everyone. So you and we're saints. Isn't that cool? Very, very good. Now, there are some saints that are a lot more famous and you hear their names a lot and things like that. But please, please, please know, as long as you believe in God and you love your neighbor and you love everyone and you accept everyone and you're trying your best to be a good person, you are a saint as well. So, on All Saints' Day, what we are praying for is all the saints that went to heaven. That's what we're doing. All the saints that have passed, that have went to heaven, we are praying for them. Okay? We're remembering them. We're taking time to remember our times with our loved ones that are saints that may have passed on, that are in heaven. Um, we may get a little sad because we miss them, things like that. But that's what we celebrate on All Saints' Day. Then on All Souls' Day, what we are praying for is for everyone that has passed before us. Everyone in our lives that we know and love that have passed and that have died before us and have left us here. What we are praying for is that they are okay and that they are going to heaven. So, real quick again, let's recap. On November 1st, we always celebrate All Saints' Day. And what we're doing is we're praying for all saints, the, the more famous ones, the ones we hear about a lot, and then saints like you and I, people who believe in God that are trying to live holy lives that have died that are in heaven now. So those are the people that we're praying for. And then on um, November 2nd, we are praying for it's All Souls Day. So we're praying for every soul that we know that has died before us. We are praying that they are okay in heaven with God. Okay, so I have a couple videos for you. And what I want you to do is watch those videos to learn a little bit more about All Saints Day and All Souls Day. And then what you're going to do is give me one sentence. Remember what a sentence means. It needs to make sense. It needs to start with a capital letter. You need to have finger spacing and an end mark. And then I want you to tell me what is one thing you learned about All Saints Day and All Souls Day after you watched my video and the other videos. And then take a picture of your sentence and post it here. Thank you guys. I am praying for you and your families. I love you all. I'll see you later. Bye.